There we go.
Okay, so I'm part of Adopt a Grandparent, which is one of our clubs here at Muhlenberg. It's a volunteer club through the Office of Community Engagement. And we have a partnership with the Phoebe Home, which is a senior care facility, which is right down the street. And there are two different ways you can get involved in Adopt a Grandparent. You can either attend the monthly events, which are things like ice cream socials, or casino day, or craft days, or just fun little events where we spend time with the residents. Or you could also be matched up with a resident and visit them every week or 2 weeks and just get to know them. And the residents love it. They love anything that's something different from their normal schedules. So they love just talking to us. They love having someone to listen to. And yeah, that's about it. A lot of our members do both parts. They attend the monthly events and they have somebody that they're matched up with. So it's a great opportunity. I would recommend it.
Thank you so much. Has this had any special impact on you as a person through doing this?
I think one of the reasons that Adopt a Grandparent is so nice is because it's not a big time commitment, and so you can see that really just giving an hour or two a month makes such a difference in these people's lives. So I think if you have a busy schedule, it's a good way to get involved because it really, they just love it, but it doesn't take a huge commitment on your part. So
thank you so much.
Thank you.